Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's install the ECS duckbill spoiler. I've had the spoiler for a little while, but since it uses 3M adhesive to mount, I had to wait till the weather was a little bit warmer before I could install it. While the installation is super simple, I happen to have the GLI model, meaning I have to first remove the factory lip spoiler. Let's get into it. Here's a quick close-up of the factory lip I need to remove. I used some 20-pound fishing line and a little heat to cut through the adhesive. As I progressed, I placed some items from around the garage to wedge up the spoiler. This took a lot of time and effort to cut off. I broke a lot of fishing line. But it eventually came loose. The green valve cap became my wedge and I kept moving it down. As you can see, there is a lot of adhesive used. I did my research and I found that an eraser wheel on a power drill is the fastest and safest way to remove the adhesive from the car. I definitely found this to be the case. And on occasion, I used some isopropyl alcohol. I also picked away at the thick spots to use less of the eraser wheel. Unfortunately, the thick black stripe in the middle wasn't like the rest. It's more like a permanent silicone adhesive and the eraser wheel didn't make an effect on it. I resorted to using chemicals. I found that my motorcycle chain cleaner worked the best. The chain cleaner, a credit card, and a lot of elbow grease. Patience is key here. Do not rush this or you're likely to cause some damage. Once I had cleaned enough so it wasn't visible, I used some more isopropyl alcohol and wiped off all the contaminant. I then applied a 3M bonding agent to help the 3M stick. Because it's still a little cold in my garage, I added some quick heat with the heat gun to warm the trunk lid a little. At this point, I already peeled back a bit of the 3M cover and taped it up. This way, I can then stick the edges down, which will make adjustments easier if needed. With the right spot picked, I brought in some help. Once the new spoiler was where I wanted it, my helper peeled back the rest of the 3M cover while I applied pressure. Once installed, I then peel back the protective film on the spoiler, revealing the gloss black underneath. It's so shiny, exactly what I wanted. Here's a quick before and then the after. While I imagine it doesn't add much downforce, if any at all, it adds just the right amount of sporty look. And that's exactly what I wanted. It also stands out a little bit from the other Jettas around. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.